Are you ready to transform your workflow? Discover how Gemini.ai can enhance your Google Workspace experience, streamlining tasks and fostering collaboration. In this video, we will dive into practical tips and tricks to leverage AI for smarter document management, effortless scheduling, and automated responses. Don't miss out on the future of productivity. Watch now and elevate your workspace game. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Gemini AI with Google Workspace. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and type into gemini.google.com and you'll find this page as you can see. So here we have the first thing that you have to know, but firstly let's know what is Gemini.ai. So Gemini is an advanced artificial intelligence tool designed to enhance productivity and streamline workflows within Google Workspace. By integrating Gemini.ai with Google Workspace, users can leverage AI capabilities to automate repetitive tasks, generate content, analyze data, and facilitate collaboration. This powerful combination allows for more efficient document creation, smarter email management, and improved organization, ultimately helping teams work faster and more effectively. So the thing that you have to do right now is just here click over settings and you click over extension and you will find this page as you can see. Here we have workspace such as here Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Keep, Google Tasks, and here we have it activated as you can see, and we have it Google Flights if you want. Also we have Google Hotels, Google Maps, YouTube. You can also use YouTube Music and the platform that you have on your computer or your mobile phone. Alright, so let's come back right now to the home page and let's just give it an example. For example, right now I will just here select, for example, I will select Google. For example, I will select Gmail, and right now I will just write, for example, in Reddit in written emails, for example, and I will click over enter, and let's just wait for it. And you have find in your emails here, as you can see. Then you will find in written emails. So as you can see, here we have a text your Gmail and found 3 in read email. We have here 2 new page suggestions, including space perspective, and we have, for example, here the email as you can see. Here we have it. As you can see, for example, let's just give another example, and I will just search, for example, I will select here the Gmail again, and I will just write, for example, Shopify. For example, Shopify, as you can see, and I will click over enter, and I will just find here Shopify if so as you can see, I have found 5 emails from Shopify in your Gmail. They are all in red and have similar subject. As you can see, we have extend your trial, don't lose your progress, use AI to make your first sale, keep building your store for just $1, extend your trial for, as you can see. Then right now let's just give another example. For example, I will choose here YouTube. The word I will just choose here in watching video. And let's wait for it. And if it's not happening, we'll just here find I could. For example, you'll find here I couldn't, or you'll find I couldn't find, or you'll find this message. Right now let's just searching for another example. As you can see, for example, let's just selecting here the option of, for example, I will just select Google Drive and I will just search for example, I already have a folder with Gemini and I will select Gemini like that. As you can see, for example, I found here 2 emails related to Gemini in your Gmail. For example, we have on your device is using your account, will confirm your email address, and here we have it. Right now, let's just give it another example. For example, right now I will just select, for example, you can select here YouTube, Google Maps, also Google Hotels, Google Flights, Google Drive, Google Docs, Gmail, Google Keep, Google Tasks, and Google Calendar. If you have anything, you have just to search for it. Also, you can here ask for help. If you want to, for example, answer for an email, you have just to click over here and you select which email you want, and then you click respond to email, and then you respond it. Right? Also, we have here other options for a new chat to improve Google AI for everyone reviews, read some chats. Then we have Gym Manager. Then we have also here help, activity and settings. So let's just go here to the extension. For example, here we have how it works with Google Workspace. You can just find, summarize and get quick info from your content in Gmail, documents, Docs, Drive and more. Then we have also here Google Flight, Google Hotels and Google Maps. How it works, we have it tap into location based information to bring your plans to life. Then we have here YouTube discover YouTube videos and get answers about them. And we have YouTube music, play, search and discover something, and you have just to get started. Then we have also here how we can do that with Gemini. Firstly, we have a various things that you have to know about this one. For example, the magic of Gemini extension helps you bring it all together. And we have also here one conversation, mini extension, turn Gemini extension on or off anytime. Then we have the magic of Gemini comes to your stuff. Then you have a Gemini extension help you bring it all together. And we have also here one conversation, mini extension. Then we have here turn Gemini extension on or off all anytime. Right? So this is it. So all I have to do is just to integrate Gemini with Google Drive for seamless document management and synthetics your Google Calendar to keep track of appointments and deadlines. You can also manage emails through Gmail and create tasks that syntax with Google Tasks. Finally, explore automation features and training sources to optimize your workflow. So it's very helpful to use Gemini because here you have just to select which platform that you want, then you ask whatever you want and you get the answer. Or if you have just to know which, for example, which email that you don't read and other things. So integrating Gemini with Google Workspace can significantly enhance your productivity by streamlining document management, calendar synchronization, and task organization. By leveraging these tools together, you can create a more efficient workflow, improve collaboration, and automate routine tasks. Embracing this integration will help you maximize your use of both platforms, ultimately leading to better time management and enhanced project outcomes. So this is how it works with Gemini. You can just also firstly retrieve your data and you get started by click over chat with Gemini and you'll find this page. Then you click over no thanks if you don't want and you'll find other page which is this one. You can also try Gemini Advanced and you get started also by using a microphone, or you can just upload image if you want. And we have also here some help, activity, settings, gym manager. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.